Put your life and income on cruise control. What the heck does that mean? Thanks for clicking, guys. Let's jump right into the video. And welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't looked at the last two videos, the one on savings and the one on lifestyle, be sure to check those out when you get a chance. I'll try to make this video make sense even if you haven't watched those. So putting your life on cruise control, what does that mean? It means sitting back, seeing what's going on, making little tweaks every once in a while, but not expending a lot of effort. How do you get your life like that? Passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is money that you don't expend a lot of effort for. Some effort, but not working 8 hours to make $100. That's a job. Some examples of passive income might be if you've got 2 million bucks in safe and secure investments and you're earning anywhere between 2 and 4% return on investment every year. That equates to about $40,000 to $80,000 in passive income. A little bit of work to make sure that those investments are doing what you want them to do, but 80 grand for sitting back and doing a little bit of work, that's the definition of passive income. Another example of passive income might be rental property. So for example, if you've got $20,000, you put it down on a rental property, you get a loan for the rest, you take $5,000 more dollars, you fix the house up, you get it ready to rent. So that's your cash on cash return on investment, your $25,000 investment, and whatever rental income you receive. If you get whatever 10% return on investment, that's really good, by the way. That's a great example of passive income. If you notice, both examples require some money down. Go back and watch my savings video if you haven't seen it already. And also go back and watch my lifestyle video. I mentioned in that video that I wanted to make some videos and talk about different ways to improve your lifestyle, independent of where you are financially, independent of how much money you have, tips that would work for everybody. So this is the key to this video. You want to get to a place where you can put your life and your income on cruise control, to a place where you can get that passive income coming in. You've got to have some money. You've got to save that money. How do you save that money? You've got to just put your head down and grind and do the things that you probably don't want to do until you've got that money, until you set up your life to where you can get that passive income and set your life on cruise control. And that's what it's all about. Setting up your life to the point where you want to get it to the point where it's just downhill from there, right? And to get downhill, you've got to come up the hill first. Guys, I'm going to spend a little bit more time on this because this is the most important part of the video. A lot of people aren't willing to put their head down and grind and do the things that they need to do to set themselves up for the future. So what does that look like? Well, it might be a second job for now. It might be a side hustle, right? I might make some videos in the future about different side hustle ideas. It's about working smart. But again, to get to where you want to be, you've got to do things that other people aren't willing to do. The process is temporary, but the benefits once you get to the top of that hill will be for a lifetime. On a side note, I read this book. It's called The Happiness Hypothesis. They surveyed a bunch of people and asked them how they were feeling throughout the day. And overwhelmingly, people were happy at 2 points. One, when they were eating, and two, when they just accomplished something that was very difficult for them to accomplish. When you're doing this, just know that it's going to be hard now, it's going to be painful. You're going to be able to look back at it later and have that feeling of accomplishment. And it might be easier for you to have your goals in mind, right? When you're doing this, when you're grinding, imagine what your life would feel like when you've got an extra $300 a month coming in by not doing anything. Imagine what your life would feel like if you know that your rent is paid for every month. Imagine what your life would feel like if you've got that $40,000 to $80,000 a year coming in addition to everything else that you're doing right now. Guys, I'm going to wrap up by finishing where I started in saying that lifestyle is a feeling. And if you choose to go on this journey and putting your head down and grinding and doing all this, that's your lifestyle as well. So enjoy that. Know that you'll look back and really know that you did something awesome. think about and figure out what your motivation is. And when times kind of get hard and get tough, go back to that. Go back to knowing that you'll look back on this and know that you did something really good. Guys, I hope you liked this video. As you can tell, I worked on this from daytime to evening, probably condensed over an hour's worth of content into 5 minutes worth of video, trying to give you the best, most insightful stuff, stuff that I've experienced myself. If any of this resonates with you, please let me know on the comments. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.